Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Samsung dishwasher and you're getting an HE2 error. So what is that error and how to get rid of it? So the HE2 error is a heating error, which basically means that the thermostat is detecting an abnormal temperature in the dishwasher. So this could be happening for one of two reasons. One could be that you really have an abnormal temperature, and the other could be that there's something wrong with your thermostat. So if it's number one, it actually is an abnormal temperature, it's probably there's an excess of heat in the machine. Maybe you've been running it constantly, or maybe the water going into the machine is too hot. So the way to get rid of this, to see if this is what it is just to turn your dishwasher off and leave it off for at least 8 hours to let it just totally cool down, and then try it again and see if it works. And if it's working, that means that you had excess heat in the machine. If that doesn't get rid of it, then it's probably going to be your thermostat that needs to be replaced, and you're probably going to need to call out for a technician. But anyways, I hope this helped you with the problem. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.